Greetings, dear Awakened Ones. We are Anonymous. We at the Anonymous Hive have confirmed the engagement of Operation Know Your Enemy. If they choose to withhold information on us, then we choose to hold information on them. The freedom of information. The free flow of information over the World Wide Web. If you have any information that may be of benefit to this operation, do not hesitate to share it with all. You will find the links to our Facebook page and the Facebook page of Operation Know Your Enemy within the description below. Share it with your friends, family, and groups campaigning against austerity measures. We encourage you to work as one, a concentrated and coordinated effort of all groups and individuals in Ireland to come together and provide a service for each other. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. It is simply too late to expect us.